The readings are consistent with the previous survey. Interesting level of moss saturation here. Let's take a sample of this carving.
Keep them coming. Watch the edge. Lower the boom carefully. Signal the next truck in. Keep it steady. Watch the trimmers. Aligning now. Slow, slow. Looks perfect. Secure the pins.
Line them up square. Need more slate on this side. Watch your footing. Secure that row tight.
We did it! It's magnificent. Looks better than ever.
Push up on the left.
Just a little more.
Now, slowly in.
Holds tight.
Locked in. Perfect. Keep it steady. Fill the crack completely. Looking good, almost done with this section. Keep it steady. Watch the edges. Careful, it's tight. Almost there. Drop it down. Perfect, it's in. Let's secure the glass. We did it! Look at it, absolutely magnificent. Incredible, every detail. Years of work, worth every second. A true masterpiece. Keep the water flowing. Almost done with this section. Look at that shine.
Keep it steady. Watch the hinges.
Almost there. Mind your grip. Lower slowly, just a bit more.
Perfect. Set the bolts.
Solid. Keep sweeping from the top down. Got it. This moss is thick. Push through, we're making good progress. Keep it steady, looking good.
Almost there. Push it in. Perfect.
Perfect, it's set.
Beautiful work.
Keep your lights up. Check that support beam. Watch your step. The floor's unstable. Keep it moving, team. Clear that path. Fill it up, fast. Watch the head there. Keep your beams steady. Watch your step here, it's uneven. Let's sweep this section first. keep pushing it this way. Move it out. Watch the edge. Heavy pile here. All right, let's go. Line them up perfectly.
Needs more cement here.
Past the level. The gold is really starting to shine through here.
We're almost finished with this section.
Careful with that edge. Keep it steady on your side. Moving it an inch to the left. Perfect. Perfect. Lower it now. And hold. Keep it steady. Slowly. Easy now. Lights are on. Wow. Keep it steady. To the left a bit. Lower it now. Careful with the legs. All right, push it back. Align it with the sofa. Hold it steady. Carefully, just press it in. Beautiful, isn't it? All right, switch on the first one. Wow, that looks good. Ready for the next set? Go for it. Go for it. Beautiful, the lion details pop. Turn on the last row. Done. Perfect. Almost there. Yeah. Looks incredible. Just a few more spots. Yeah. Yeah, great work. It's coming together perfectly. Line it up with the edge. Over. Check the level here. Perfect. Set it in.
Be careful with that section. Move the light closer to the edge. Watch the pressure on that carving.
All right, hold it steady. Left a little. Got it. Got it. Slow and easy now. Oh. Looks perfect. Settle it down and secure. Keep it steady. Watch the right side. Slow and easy. Okay. Power on. Stand by. Bring it down slowly. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Set the table there. On my mark. Down. All right, flip the switch. Powering up now. Beautiful. Let's do the next section. Looks perfect. Line them up precisely. We need more cement over here. Check the pattern alignment. All right, easy now. Just a little to the left. Looking good. Hold it steady. Keep it steady, guys. Yeah. Move it to the left, just a bit. Careful with the marble, let's put it down now. Yeah. All right, lift together. Good. All right, first pair on. Looking good. Sequence engaged, here we go. Perfect. Keep it smooth. All right, more water in the mix?
Mix.
Perfect, we're almost there. Keep cleaning that corner. Bring me the gilt brush. Almost done with this section.